Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this electric wrench. I already had this for over 6 months now, and this is a great product to have. So this brings the wrench itself, two 12-volt lithium batteries. It brings your sockets and the plug. So let me show you how it works. It has a nice, here's the on and off button here. You have your power display there. Here's the socket itself. To change it to forward or reverse, you just move this right here. It's a good grip to it. Feels very comfortable in the hand and it has a nice weight to it. Build quality, very good. Here's the two batteries and you charge it right through here with the plug. So the way to use it, you just align it properly. You push it in, you start it, push the button. Very strong. Very powerful to take out the battery, push these two sides, and just pull it out. So very easy to use. The battery life on this lasts a long time, and charging, it takes about an hour for a full charge. Alright, so I have my socket here and the wrench. Push it on. Now we're going to loosen up this bolt right here. Very quick and easy. Now I'm going to put the bolt back on. I switch this back to forward. Let me start it by hand a little bit. And it makes tightening bolts very fast. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you could buy it from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great electric wrench. I like how well that it feels in the hand. This is just as good as the other name brand ones. I like how the battery life lasts a long time and it has a good torque power to it. I like that it brings the two batteries, the charger, and the extra sockets. And the build quality is very good.